everyone. I just wanted to make a quick announcement. We have a couple exciting things that are going to be happening, and hopefully I'll be checking in way more often. Once a week is the goal, maybe twice. Don't worry, we won't be bombarding your feed, and we're going to be adding to the content of this channel. Sorry about the background traffic. I'm trying to shield the camera from the wind. It's gone over twice already. I'm trying to do this because it's really windy and the storms are coming in, and hopefully they won't be too bad this time, but we'll see. So anyway, back to, we'll be changing our name from Nicole's Home and Garden to PlantTastic Cooking and Gardening. So along with the content we already show you, which is gardening tips, just sharing our garden with you and what we're doing in it and projects, we will be also showing you with the help of my daughter, who is going to be partnering with me for this PlantTastic journey, to show you what we do with these plants after we grow them, buy them. And because most of you know from my comments that I am primarily plant-based eater. So the recipes will be all vegan, dairy-free, meat-free. But everybody's welcome. If you just want to be a vegetarian once a week or a vegan once a week, that's absolutely fine. This is non-political, just all welcoming for all eating styles. But maybe you just want to add a little bit more vegetables to your diet. The video links, hopefully that camera's not going to go over again. Here it goes again. Sorry. Hello. Somehow I managed to not tell you one of the important announcements, and that is that Amber and I are going to be co-authoring a plant-based cookbook. It should be coming out within the next 1.5 to 2 years. We've been working on it all winter, and we will continue working on it throughout this year. So hopefully that brings in more together of where we're headed with the channel and what we're trying to do. We're very excited about plants, gardening, cooking with those plants, and sharing it all with you. So sorry about that. Yeah, so we'll get back to the video now. Anyway, they will be really for anybody who just wants to add a little bit more vegetables to their diet, or is growing vegetables and herbs and want to know how to incorporate them into really great tasting recipes. Years ago, I hated to cook, absolutely hated it. Raising my kids, I just was bored by it. But once I started years ago cooking plant-based, I became excited about cooking, and I love to cook. And I love how creative it can be, and all the ingredients go together. And I love that it's really great for the earth, and it's teaching me how to be self-sufficient again and not just dependent on grocery stores. With the pandemic, we found a lot of shortages. I'm now growing herbs and greens all but about 2 months of the year. My herbs, several of my herbs lasted all through the winter, and we got feet of snow this year, not just inches. We got feet. So I hope you're as excited as we are, and I hope you stick with us as we go through the growing pains of changing over to this new format. Again, all the vlog and the garden stuff will remain the same way, just kind of off the cuff. But the videos for the cooking will be quicker and more stylized, and hopefully just more to the point, because I can ramble on, as you can see. So I'm excited about this gardening season. I don't know if you can see behind me, all the daffodils are blooming. They've come up really strong, and the tulips from last year are coming up. I didn't get any new ones in, but they're all about this high, so we'll see if they bloom this year. And it does seem like the bulbs have really multiplied, so that's pretty exciting. So that's the spring is renewing everything again, and it's pretty exciting. Yeah, so when you see this symbol, you'll know it's still me, and I can't wait to introduce you to my daughter, who is really excited about this journey too, and is co-writing the cookbook with me. So we'd love to hear your comments and what you think, and maybe recipes you'd like to see. Okay, well, thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you and continue to, you've kind of become like family to us, and we just are so appreciative of all your comments, and yeah, so we're so excited, and so we'll see you soon with our new recipe videos. Have a great day.